Kia ora and welcome to whitewater rafting on the Buller River, one of the largest free-flowing rivers in Aotearoa. I'm here with the whitewater experts, Ultimate Descents. Come and check this out. 1 2, here we go. And board battle. So there you go guys, that's the famous Buller Gorge with Ultimate Descents. Now these guys are based in a little town called Murchison. They offer a ton of trips. They've got family trips, float trips, fishing trips. They're just down the road from the west coast and they've even got heli grade 5 rafting going on there. So look, you know what, just give the crew in here a call. They'll sort you out, give you a ton of options. We'll see you on the river.